I'm working on a needlepoint canvas that I started, way back several years ago, I think. My daughter bought it for me as a gift, but I didn't really like the type of yarn that it was using. So I decided to dye all my own plant colors and change it a bit, and I've been working on that. And I just had these blues left to finish, and I dyed some indigo yarn just before I left the UK, and it came out nice and variegated, different shades of blue. So I thought I'd fill all these parts in with that, and then I don't have to do as much color matching in the thing because it will just naturally change colors. So that's what I'm going to be working on now. And then I have a few more spots that need little bits of other colors. I might even get this finished sometime. Maybe. I plan on getting my web shop up and running again. Now that I'm in Canada, I can, with tax laws, I think I can sell from here, but I can't. It's very complicated to sell from the UK now with all the laws about what you can ship to what country and what's safe and what isn't. So I will be selling yarns again once I figure out the best way to do it. So keep in touch, and then it will only be in the times that I'm in Canada that I can sell. Okay. Oh, I should have put this onto the Swift that I bought a while back instead of putting it on my leg, but I didn't. So this is going to be a bit slower. Maybe I'll speed up the speed on the video so this doesn't take so long.